The Basics of Algebra, Part 4. How to divide in algebra. When dealing with monomials, dividing them can be incredibly easy. For example, 5x divided by 5 is just x, or even 5x divided by x is just 5. But what about 4x plus 8 divided by x plus 2? We will set up our equation in the same way we set up long division. The way we go by long dividing two algebraic expressions is very similar to long dividing. In this example, we will start with our x here and ask ourselves, how many times does x fit inside of 4x? 4 times, so we will write 4 on top. Then, as we usually do with long division, multiply. So, 4 times x plus 2, and we write our answer underneath, and then subtract. In this example, we have 4x plus 8 minus 4x plus 8, which gives us no remainders, and now we know that 4x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 is 4. Let's try another more difficult and especially more realistic example. 3x cubed plus 29x squared plus 37x minus 24 divided by x plus 8. As we usually do, we will set up in a long division manner. And now, we will start with our x. So 3x cubed divided by x gives us 3x squared. So we'll write 3x squared on top. Then we multiply our 3x squared and our denominator. So 3x squared times x plus 8. This gives us 3x cubed plus 24x squared. We will then subtract, as we usually do with long division. And we also bring everything down and repeat. So 5x squared divided by x. This gives us 5x. So once we write it on top, we'll proceed with our multiplication. So 5x times x plus 8. This gives us 5x squared plus 40x. Once again, we repeat, and we subtract and bring everything down. Now we divide negative 3x by x. This gives us negative 3. If we multiply, we get negative 3 times x plus 8, giving us negative 3x minus 24. And once we subtract here at the bottom, we get 0 remainder. But what if you're at the end of a long division, and you encounter a problem like this one here? You can't continue with your long division, so do you just write the remainder? No. You will continue as you usually do. In this case, negative 38 divided by x plus 3. But since you can't actually do this equation, you'll add it to your answer, as shown here. So, that is how you long divide algebraic expressions. Thanks for watching.